Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. You are watching Mrs. Shorty, and I do a lot of beauty, fashion, and small business videos here on my channel. And it's been a while, you guys know. I did Vlogmas, and by the end of Vlogmas, me and my husband, Andrew, had gotten sick, and I didn't really fully tell you guys like what we had, and basically we did come down with the coronavirus, and unfortunately me and him before Christmas had to be quarantined and isolated from everybody else. I'm on my last day, and today is New Year's Eve, and I just wanted to get out of the rut that I was in and, put on a little something. I did get rid of most of my brushes, so I did what I could with what I had, because I did a look. I did get ready on Christmas Day just to make myself feel better, but then I realized that yes, I was touching my own makeup and everything like that, and I figured that it was contaminated at that point. So everything that I used, including brushes and all that stuff, I threw out because I just didn't want to recontaminate myself in the future or whatnot. So I did clean off everything on my vanity, and then I kept the stuff that I didn't touch in my stash, but everything that I did touch on that day, I got rid of. Today or yesterday was the last day I was technically, or is technically, considered contagious. So I decided that I would put makeup on today and just kind of let myself feel a little normal. But just having it was really a whirlwind of stuff and scare, and I tried on Christmas to let you guys know what was going on. I do have a clip of that as well, but I didn't get to finish because I think somebody was yelling in the video, and then I got too tired to actually put it up and to continue on talking about it. So here I am today. I'm actually going to be opening up, I forgot to tell you guys, but today I had received my Fabfitfun box in the mail, and it is a quarterly box, so a seasonal box. So we get Fabfitfun every new season. So this is my winter box, and I think it's really fitting because I did have to get rid of a lot of my stuff. So hopefully there's a brush set in there. But I am still, I do still get fatigued and tired fast. It is very different. I feel like everything that I do now, I get super winded, super tired. I feel like I'm moving just super slow today for some odd reason. I did try to play Just Dance, just to get, muscles back moving and everything like that, but I just am so very, very tired. Okay, so if you didn't know what Fabfitfun is, it is a seasonal box of beauty items that you take a quiz for, and you let them know what type of products that you would like to get in your boxes. You get them every season. So instead of like some other subscription boxes, this only comes during a new season, like winter, summer, fall, which is great because it's not charging you for every month. It's just charging you for every season, which saves a lot of money in the end, because you're not paying it every month. Every season is a good deal for me for new products that I want to try, and that's a good option for me. So this is the Fabfitfun winter box right here. It is a super huge box. This box is pretty big right there. So I got, it looks like some type of mugs here. These are called Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs. They are a set of 2, and I can't complain. I really like mugs. And then you get, oh wow, so this one is a enjoy 10% off your first purchase, lilypulitzer.com. So if you wanted to shop their same mugs, this is their card right here, which is really cute. You could follow that. I'll have it in the description box below of all the products that I got. Ooh. These are really pretty. Sorry guys. I'm gonna move that out of the way. This is gorgeous. So this is this mug right here. So there's 2 of them. It has a gold detail on the handle, and within each of the flowers there is like a lion, or like a lion face in each flower around the whole entire mug. That's super cute. I like the color combo. And then on the inside has Lily in gold. So this is a cute little mug. I am definitely going to be using this for teas and coffee. So that's a really good one. I've never gotten dinnerware or dishware from Fabfitfun before, so that's a great option. I really like that. And win a prize pack valued at $4,500. So that's what I'm gonna do and see if we can win, guys. And then it shares inside, like usual, what it has on the inside. Okay. Don't need that. Okay, so we have HBO Max, all that stuff in here. HelloFresh. I still have yet to try HelloFresh. This is a $15 off Fabfitfun. There is a Fabfitfun sticker. This is a wine, Bright Cellars wine. And then let's go into what I got. So for this big box, I definitely got the mugs. That is pretty decent, but other than that, I don't see anything really big that why I would need this big of a box, but anyway, I got Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So I've gotten a Tula product before. That was the last Tula product I got was a spot corrector, and I have yet to try that. Oh, I think I did try it one time, and it dried it out and all that stuff. So it was pretty good product. Limitless Lash Mascara by Ilia, which is okay. Mascara is not really my favorite. It seems to me like it's usually like a filler or something like that. Tea Seed Elixir Balancing Beauty Oil. I love oils, so that's going to be good to put in my routine. I did get this brush, not the brush that I was hoping for because I need makeup brushes. But this is a what you call a dry brush, and I guess you use it to your face. So you use it dry on a clean after you've cleansed your face. So that's going to be interesting to use. I've never used that before. There is a small liquid eyeliner. Kind bar, which I like. Kind bars are good. Below the Belt. This is a little card, a croc card case. Looks like that. Oh. And this is a cutting board set of 4 BPA free. They look like that, which is a good product. So this month's box, so everything that I got this time around in my Fabfitfun is honestly not like I've expected. I've expected a little bit more, but I think these Lily Pulitzer mugs are probably pretty expensive, and so that's where majority of the money is spent, is in these beautiful mugs, which I can't be mad at because I love my coffee and I love tea, especially around this time. And so yeah, so with the stuff that I got, I can't really be mad. Oops. I really can't be mad about it. But it's definitely not as much as my first box that I got. Then I didn't have the choice to, you know, look at extras or anything like that. So I didn't do that. But other than that, I did think that this box is pretty good. Different stuff. It's definitely different than what I'm used to. So I mean, it's what to be expected from the Fabfitfun, or from a subscription box. Was I wowed, super wowed? Probably not. But that's, you win some, you lose some. And this time around, I guess we lost some. But yeah. I'm getting super tired. I think it's almost time for countdown. Hopefully I don't go to sleep before then. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for staying with me, and if you are interested in, fashion and my small business and everything like that, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button to be notified of all my future videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Like always, stay super sweet. Bye.